police, wake up! Howdy. So this thing's all funky. Hello, Kettle Police! Kettle Police, wake up! Hello, Kettle Police. Hey, you alright, man? Fine. Okay. Well, you were passed out of the pump for a little bit. You gonna go and turn the car off?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. You're just gonna take off?
I have to, bro.
Why?
Because I have somebody to.
No, just turn the car off right now.
No, sir.
Let's turn the car off.
No, don't.
Get out of the car.
Back up. Back up.
That's one gunpoint.
Back up. I have.
Get out of the car.
Condition.
Out of the car.
I have a condition.
Get out of the car. Go on the ground.
I have a condition. I have a condition. Leave me alone.
Fine, get out of the car.
Leave me alone.
On the ground. Get on the
alone.
ground.
Get on the ground. Change.
You can hang tight right here. Just down.
Okay. Kettle Police. Hello, Kettle Police. Hey, you alright, man? Okay. Well, you were passed out of the pump for a little bit. You go turn the car off? No. No? No. Okay. You're just gonna take off?
I have to, bro.
Why?
Because I have somebody to.
No, just turn the car off right now.
No, sir.
Let's turn it off.
No, don't.
Hey.
Back up. Back up, dude. Back up. I have a condition.
Out of the car.
I have a condition. No, I have a condition. I have a condition. Leave me alone.
He's reaching for a gun. He's reaching for a gun. He's reaching for a gun.
Fuck it, I'll do it.
I have a pursuit. Foot pursuit. Southbound. Northbound or CTB.
I'm gonna have to do it.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun.
King 911, he's got a gun. Get on the out! Drop the gun!
Did he fire?
Yeah. Get on the ground. King 911, he's fired one shot. Get on the ground! King 911, she's got a gun to his head now. Let's turn it off.
Don't. Back up. Back up, dude. Back up. I have a condition.
Out of the car.
I have a condition.
Go on the car.
I have a condition.
Out of the
I
car.
have a condition.
Okay,
Leave me alone.
that's fine. Get out of the car.
Leave me alone.
On the ground. Get
Leave
on
me
the
alone.
ground.
Get on the ground. Change.
Fuck this, don't do this. I have a pursuit. I'm northbound. Northbound is CTB. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! King 911, he's got a gun. Get on the ground! Drop the gun!
Did he fire? Did he fire?
Yeah. Help me!
Yeah, he fired one shot. Dispatch.
A little bit.
Get on the ground! On the ground! Drop it now!
Okay, can you move around?
Okay. Okay, we have one suspect down.
Where's your
Shots
hand?
fired.
Where's the gun? Do not move! Where's the gun at? Where's the gun? Straight out!
Tiago, with me.
You see the gun? What? I see the gun. It's my No! Do not move! Crawl away from the gun!
We're at 425 North CCB, right by the main entrance.
Crawl away! Crawl away from the gun!
Behind me, buddy.
Roll over! Your hands up!
I cannot see the gun.
Where's it at?
Check behind you.
Where's it at?
Take cover. You see the gun?
Go this way.
You see the gun? You see the gun?
Go this way.
Okay, coming over your side. Tiago, holster up.
I won't move. I think I'm hit. I think I'm hit. Oh,
Where you hit?
Please forgive me. God, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.